Earning $7 may not seem like a lot, but when you earn it every minute, then it results $420 per hour, which is a lot of money for beginner. In this video, I am going to show you a website which will give you $7 again and again. It is nothing about affiliate marketing, drop servicing, YouTube, nothing to sell, and best thing is that people don't have to buy anything from you and you will earn $7. So keep watching until the end and don't skip any part of the video, otherwise you might get lost. But before we start into this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's jump into the video. So the website which I'm talking to you, which will give you $7 for each free referral, which is Skillshare. Here as you can see, this is Skillshare and this is the website which will give you $7 per referral we will get to it website. So basically Skillshare is a website where you can get access to thousands of online courses and you can increase your skills. This website is similar to online teaching platform like Udemy, Teachable, and from here you can upload your own course or maybe you can get some classes from this website and you can enhance your skill, and it have thousands of courses as you can see there on this website listed. And this website is all about taking courses and online teaching. As you can see, explore thousands of hand speaking classes. So this is the website. Now don't worry, don't take off, because we will not buying some online courses or we will not sell our own online courses because it will take too much time so to tutoring to the people on this platform. But we will make money through this platform by referring it to other people's. We will become an affiliate of this website and we will promote it to take some commission, which is around $7 you may get from each referral you bring to this website. So it is a good website. Now scroll down and scroll up to very down, and as you can see here you can find this affiliate button under the company section. Click on this affiliate tab and it will bring you to a new page which is saying this affiliate page of Skillshare. Now as you can see, earn $7 for each new referral you bring. So this is the platform we will going to use. Now scroll a little bit down and now as you can see, do trial signups count as a referral? So yes, all trial signups count as a referral, so you will get paid for each trial referral for you bring to this website and you will get paid $7 for each. And as you can see, Skillshare affiliate earns $7 in commission for each customer that start their paid membership. Each affiliate customer a custom account for these. Now scroll some and you can click this join for brief button. Basically it will apply and it will bring a page to apply for the affiliate page of this website where you can apply to become affiliate of Skillshare, and they will ask you some of your details like your username, email address and something stuff like thing, and you will fill out when you will get your affiliate link. Now you can start to promote it. Now let me think that this is my affiliate link and I will copy it to my browser and come to website called bit.ly.com. Here we will use it to shorten our long URL. Now let me paste this URL on this website and click on shorten. Now it will give me a unique shorten link of mine which is look very pretty. Now the traffic source which I want to tell, which I'll tell you previous that which is getting a huge amount of traffic, is basically the reddit.com. Yes, it is reddit.com. So go to reddit.com and basically it is a whole forum in which different communities are formed and different people come to know about something new. They will discuss on each and every topic on their website, and it is a huge large amount of traffic from US and top tier countries. So this is the website. Sign up to this website. It is very easy to sign up and log in. Now you can find there many discussion companies and many discussion group on this website. Now let me search something here. So I will search something about let me think how to draw. I will search this. Now here I can found many posts and communities related to this keyword which is drawing, and we will promote a course on Skillshare related to drawing which will tell you people how they can draw. Now there will many posts and many communities will come up and we can join many of these communities and become a partner. And now second thing is that you shall be honesty with them. First of all, you don't have to put your direct affiliate link on this. you have to interact with these people, tell something that if they want to know how to draw or they want to learn how to draw, then you have a best course that you might use yourself, and it will help them a lot for to know how to draw and stuff all like that, and you can earn $7 for each customer. Now the second traffic source I'm telling to you is of course the facebook.com. As you know that Facebook have billions of traffic per month, and you have chance to put your affiliate link in front of those people. Now basically, as you can see on the this skillshare platform, here you can see there are many courses like animation, design, illustration, lifestyle, writing, business, photo, film. There are many things and many courses on this website in each and every category, and you can find in these all categories groups related to these all categories on Facebook. You can join all of these groups and you can promote your affiliate offer and your link to these groups. And once again, here is also a little disclaimer for you: don't put your direct affiliate link, because the website facebook.com will ban you if you put this. First of all, you have to interact with the people, tell them if they want to learn this thing or this thing, then they can contact to you. You will have a nice and very useful video classes and video lecture for them, which will help them a lot. Now when you earn some commission from these two websites, then I have a paid method for you, and if you have already some money, then you can start investing in this platform, and it will have a huge amount of traffic and it will help you to make huge amount of money from that. I myself earning from this website because I myself use this website and it give me a huge and very good amount of results. So the website I'm talking to is shortcut.com. Basically it is an influencer marketing website where you can purchase Instagram pages, TikTok pages, and you can promote your link on this page. You have to give a small money to them, and they will promote your link to their audience for around 24 to 48 hours on their page, and it will give a huge interact to this video. Now to your offer. Now in this video let me show you how you can use this website. So now let me show you. So when you come on the shortcut.com, as you can see, this is basically the home page of this website. When you click on this browse influencer, it will bring you to the page which is looking like that, and here as you can see it is loading. Now as you can see, buy shortcuts from social media influencer, and here you can search your niche. Now let promote a product in photography niche. Here you can search photography influencer. Now as you can see, it will bring all the Instagram pages in front of me related to photography niche, and as you can see, these have a very good amount of followers on this page. Like these have millions and thousands of followers on this page, and these are very targeted audience which are ready to buy your product which you are selling. And if they know that this product is free and you will promote to them, then they will definitely buy this product. And as you can see, the list is going and going and on, and there are many pages related to this photography niche. And as you can see, these are the all of these names, followers, and their price. Now you can search any influencer in your relevant niche, and you can buy a short out for only a few dollars, and it will give you a much amount of dollars back to you, like 10x and 20x more your earnings when you use this website. Just you have to find a good influencer in your niche having some good followers, maybe 500k to 1 million or more than it. Then you have to just give your affiliate link, which is basically the shortened affiliate url of bitly about skillshare. And basically these are the three websites which I want to tell you inside video. From this first two website you can make a little amount, and you can take this amount, take that money from these two websites and reinvest in the third one, which I'll show you. So it's all about for this video. I'll put some important videos link in the description. You can also check this.